Netflix just reported the quarterly earnings. It shot up to 220. Remember, going into the report, everyone was as pessimistic as you could be. They did not believe. I don't know what the numbers are, but we are getting a pop. Out of the last 9 quarters, 8 quarters have missed. Okay, so 8 quarters in a row, Netflix has tanked. Right now, it's seeing a little $31 pop. Okay, and there was a lot of put buying on Netflix. In fact, we told our traders there was so much put buying on it that it would pop higher. And it would, because everybody was ganging up on the short side of Netflix. And that's exactly what they did. So that's a knee-jerk after-hours reaction to the price. It hits 225. Right now, it's pulling back to 219. That's a daily chart. I'll let you see the breakout on a 15-minute chart. That's the 15-minute. That thing dropped down to 195 and popped right up here to the highs of 225. Now we're dropping $10 off of that high, now trading at 216 by 217. Let me just explain something to you. When we were going into this, Netflix was getting overbought. Now it's going to really be overbought. And I'll explain that to you on a daily chart and what the stochastics say as of tomorrow morning. If we continue to go higher, Netflix is going to run into a problem up here in this 225 area. So when I get the numbers, I'm going to update everybody. There's a miss on the revenue, and they slightly came in with a weaker. Let me find out what the subs are, everybody. All right, everybody, I'm going to say that Netflix spiked to 225, and the short seller sold short, and Netflix is dropping well off the high, now at 213. Netflix is overbought. Any moves higher, I will be selling short and buying puts on Netflix. Any move up to this ridiculous price, they came in below revenue. They also missed subs. They had 1 million subs versus 1.8 million subs. That's 800,000 people light on the subs. And that big shot to 225 and then coming straight down? No. Any move up, traders, people that are watching the video, any move up toward these highs, it's an automatically I'm buying the 225 puts, because this thing's already showing that it's going to drop, and there's going to be a conference call and taking bad news and popping bad news. And this starts the earnings season that way. That started off with an overbought daily, and that pop, and they sold it down. And do not believe that number is not a number that the market was looking for. Even though they took the stock up, there were so many people betting that the stock would go down. That's why the stock popped. Because everybody, I don't care who it was, they were betting that the stock would drop like a rock. Because of that pessimisticness, you get a pop to 225 and a sell down on Netflix.